it up, take a hit. I know that's been said a lot, I did it just to make you sick. Doubters are my favorite, 310 living shit. My music is verified.
Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the New Balance 237. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Smack that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us. And throw some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I want to take this time to thank all our existing subscribers. Without you guys, we aren't able to make this content for you. So thank you again. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at these New Balance 237 in the vintage orange, and it's a teal colorway. Unfortunately, New Balance don't like to put what colorway it is on the box, so I had to memorize that. And we've got a look at these 237s in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 41.5, and it's a US 8. Now, let me get this open and show you actually. These remind me of the New Balance. They remind me of the New Balance 327. We've done a review, so check it out over there. But yeah, it's got the whole vibe of casual wear, the vintage runners of the 70s. I mean, I'm getting a lot of the vibes from the Nike Tailwinds, the Nike Cortez, just by looking at the sneaker, which is really cool to see. I mean, that kind of look never dies, which is why New Balance has adopted the 70s look here. But we'll get into more details right now. So you look at this outsole, it's an all rubber outsole. It's got the nice wavy patterns, New Balance imprinted there. And it goes all the way onto the heel. It's further extended, I'm meant to say. The midsole unit, it just feels like foam. And we get into the nitty gritty, we get into that good stuff. I mean, we look here, I love the color teal. As you can see, I'm wearing a teal hoodie right now. And yeah, these suede outlays, they're beautiful. And they feel so nice, it's really nice plush. So, you know, don't try and trash these, because you're really ruining a nice quality of suede. You look at the underlay, and that is made of nylon, and the orange, it just, you know, complements that teal so nicely. It just reminds me of the Florida Gators colorway, or Gatorade, but that's not even here or there. The whole silhouette, it's got the whole vintage runner look. And again, I've mentioned that's where New Balance took inspiration from, which is really cool to see. It's easy to wear, and what more do you want during these summer times that we're gonna experience here? We look at the lacing, and it's a simple lace enclosure. The tongue, it's an exposed foam. And if you look at the tag that's here, just where the label is, it says the Intelligent Choice 237, which I'm very sure the 327 had the same deal going on. I wouldn't say it's an arrogant look from New Balance, but I very much like a pair of New Balances. I believe they're very comfortable. So they have a leg to stand on in that front, in my opinion. It's only my opinion. We move on to the heel. So you've got leather paneling with the New Balance logo. Again, with the suede outlay, really plush. It feels beautiful. I can't recommend that. If you get a pair, give it a touch, it's nice. The big N on the lateral, and it's on the medial sides. And the insole has the New Balance 237 logo right there for you. If it's anything like the 327, I can't wait to try these on. It looks more simple. There's not the studded rubber outsole. It's very nice grooves. It's not that, I don't want to say eccentric like the 327. I think this is more easier to wear than the 327 personally. But yeah, I'm just gonna round it off there. I really can't wait to try these on, especially how it goes so well with my outfit. So roll that footage. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. You can't see it from my face. I'm smiling because these are so comfy. They look great on. Jeff pointed out that the rubber from the outsole extends it into this nice curve, and you know, you look down, it kind of pops. And you know what? I thoroughly, if you get a chance to purchase a pair, buy it. These are so comfy. I think they look so good as well. This colorway that we picked out, such a nice colorway, ready for summer. What else more can I say? Get a pair. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.